Hello everyone, and welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today, I got to show you what I got for my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday. This wasn't it, but this was. It's a propane adapter hose from Blackstone, which this is a Blackstone. So, ordinary, you would use the 2-pound tanks and hook it up with this, which it still works, but I thought, you know what, I saw this, I'm going, let's go with the 20-pound tank. We use this thing a lot for camping. It works really well. You can do anything with this thing. Even if you don't want to use the griddle part, you can like put what we have, put in a foil pan. We put potatoes in there, like diced up potatoes and onions, and then you foil it, put some foil on it, and you turn it on, you cook it, cover it up. It fits perfectly, and yeah, it's really amazing. So let's see. Let's open this up. All right, it's got the 20-pound hookup. Got this little valve thing here. Screw it in there. All right. Geez, we got another twist tie thing there. Now let's hook it up to the 20-pound tank. Okay, now we want to remove the cardboard box off this. Let's turn on the valve and see if it works. And you know what? I'm going to take this off, because then we'll be able to see. There it goes. Took a little bit because I haven't used it in a while, but you can see the flame. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna cook some burgers on here. I'll be right back. Okay, got some butter. Let's make some butter burgers. Like I said, I love this. I bought this when it wasn't so popular, but now they're so popular. Like I said, you can cook bacon on here, eggs, hash browns. You can do hamburgers, breakfast sausage, chicken. If you don't like that grilling. Yeah, if you don't like that grill taste to it, you like saute some vegetables on here for like fajitas. All right, got the burger seasoned up. Can't wait. All right, let's see how it looks. Smells good. The wind is kind of blowing the flame too a little bit. All right. rolling out of there. Now it's time to add a little butter and a little bit of onion. So good. Just a little longer, and it'll be dinner time. You know the other thing you can do? Oh yeah. Toast some buns. Oh yeah. Don't forget to add the cheese. You know, people in Wisconsin here, we gotta love our cheese. Okay. I think it's time. Nice toasted bun. And that burger is bigger than the bun. Just has some onions. And the other one will be for another time. And this bun is also nice and toasted. Okay. Don't get me wrong, I like going to restaurants. However, when you want to pay $15 to $20 for a burger, didn't take that much. I didn't even pay that much for this burger, and it's going to be really, really good. So, all right, if you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you again when I put out another video. Thanks for watching.